Mother, Ambassador, Amina, Temitope Ajayi. Everybody knows me as Mama Diaspora. We're here today in preparation for the 5th anniversary of the Omoluabi Festival. Under the able chairmanship of the Oni Isha, Oba Adeyeye Ogunwusi, and our chairman, Are Oladotun Hassan. You know, I'm so impressed as a mother. These are organized by the Nigerian youth, young adults. Can you see their initiative, the way they think? The zeal, the passion that everybody should unite. Oduduwa wants everybody to unite. Though tribe and tongue may differ, in brotherhood we stand. So this press release is all about the oncoming Omoluabi Festival. Is to encourage that we should unite. There's nothing like, all the agitation. Let's unite and support, right? Asiwaju.
Let's support his government.
Let's support his government. After his government, then another people can do it. You see what I'm talking about? And I want every one of us to take a deep prayer pause right now. In 4 years' time, it's only this our young adult that we see. So as a mother, I'm appealing to everybody. Let's embrace peace. And I can assure you, our president-elect we bring everybody together. Obedient to Articulate, Kwakwanzo, Showereo. Let's work together. Let's match all our manifesto. Right? And move this country to the next level.
After the inauguration of the president-elect, what do you expecting from him
for Yoruba?
After the inauguration of the presidency next week now.
You see, he happens to be a man that does not see color, race, or tribe. Every race will be compensated. But the Yorubas, we should bear it in mind. Our local, Yoruba local. Yorubas, we need to work harder to make sure
there are no lapses.
Because Ọba tó jẹ tìrú tòrò Yorùbá ló wà bẹ́ẹ̀ sí gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ tají. Ìjọba yìí ìjọba wa ni gbogbo àwọn yòókù ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ mú wọn pọ̀ and embrace the government of the day.
The question.
Mama Diaspora, your title as the Etayeche of Oduduwa, what do you think that new honor, that new title will be to bear in your role? You are already Mama Diaspora, so how would this your new role now determine what other things you are going to do going forward?
You see, it's only the Almighty God that can appoint, that can even approve anybody getting a political position. This is a political position from the Almighty God, endorse. Now it's not left to the earthly king to give me the mantle. to be able to tie ṣe. Olúwa ló ṣe é, èèyàn kan, àmì ìdẹni. He knows why they chose me. I'm a nobody. Taisha is more of humanitarian. Kí Ọlọ́run fún rẹ̀ kó fún yàn ní political appointment. Kò ṣojú lásán o. But ṣẹ́rẹ́ mi tèmi, I don't miss what I don't have. If it's the will of God, they will give me an appointment. I will be able to use that baton, Taisha, to Taisha.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. As a mother, mommy, what would be your advice to all women in the whole world and men as well? As you are the mother, you know the capacity of men and women as well. You've had so many experience so far, so good. So what would be your advice to us? How to come together to work hand in hand with our new president?
You see, number one, we should all pray for the First Lady. Kai! I love her. She's our wife. Our First Lady. Yeah. Mo ti rí obìnrin tó ní sùúrù. You know what they call that's Senator Oluremi Tinubu is an example for every woman to emulate from today. She stood by her husband, thick or thin. That is the answer. Senator Oluremi is the answer to your question. Stand by your man. Support your man. Help to build your man's dream and ambition. Don't talk down on him. You are the face behind your husband's mask. You are the power behind the power. Women, you are the policy behind the policy maker. Ẹ̀yin abiyamọ, stay focused. I see a lot in Nigeria, I must confess. But the tide has changed now. Every woman should emulate our First Lady. Ó dúró ti ọkọ ẹ̀. Nígbà ẹ̀rùn, nígbà òjò. No, that's our wife. I love her so dearly.
Thank you.
Right. Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Love Oyedepo.
Oh, love.
Lost TV Africa. Right, ma'am. I'd like to know from you. He is your Egbo. He is our president-elect. Being somebody who's so dear to you and you're very close to him, if there is an advice you'd like to give to him on how to, the things he needs to focus on, what would that be?
Number one, light. Light, oh, that is the number one priority. It's either kinetic energy, turbine, photovoltaic, solar, no, no, dab. What's a dab? And I've already said turbine, windmill. If there's light in this country, factories will come back and it will revamp the economy. That is number one. Because the young adult is 60, how many percent? 65%. That's serious of the economy. Unemployment is overwhelming. You know why I'm not bothered? Tọ́ba ní èèyàn ní brain, first class brain. Tí ì rí nǹkankan. I know my brother. He made me. Look at the way, look at the confidence I have as a woman. By the special grace of God, in 8 years' time, you will see how you, young adults, women, will have self-confidence.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.